pouring down rain and thunderstorming. Pouring. The thunder was really loud. I mean, I heard one. I mean, it was, so loud. Standing outside of my porch and I can just feel some rain on the porch. I mean, it is pouring. You can kind of see it traveling down the street. I might sometimes block the camera because, keep the lens clean, keep water off of it. You can kind of, hard to see on the camera, but you can actually like see the rain traveling down the street. And over here, you can see it. You can see it pouring off. Now you can kind of see it traveling down the street. I mean, it is pouring down rain. Kind of cold out here. Oh, and over here is kind of doing the same thing. I mean, it is pouring off my roof. I mean, I have gutters, but it's flooding the gutter. Oh, lightning. And you're about to hear the loud thunder. Hopefully it'll be loud to hear it. The Steelers. Yeah, it wasn't that loud. Oh, kind of. That one was kind of. And lightning again. I mean, it is really starting to lightning now. Oh, it's getting cold out here. Surprise is this is only a flood warning and not a severe thunderstorm. This is only a flood warning. Surprised it's not a severe thunderstorm. A little bit bright. Lightning. Hope you can actually hear my voice.